Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the side panels. They could either be wood or plexi or other materials down the road. How to remove them and then how to put them back on. It is very, very simple. There are 4 screws on the top. The only 2 you need to remove are in the front here holding the top panel. And once you remove those 2, it'll be very, very easy. So we have a metric 3 Allen key, and we'll remove 1 screw. On the colored machines, you may see a washer here, not always, but you may see a washer. That's so the paint doesn't get scratched, or the coating. And we'll take the other one out. And then what you do is you're just going to lift this panel like this, and then this comes right off. And then you go to the other side. I'll move the machine. I lifted the front panel, and this lifts right off. That's how easy it is. If you want to remove the top panel completely, you take out the 2 back screws, same Allen key screws. And this panel comes right off. The cover for the tank does not. And this pretty much gives you access to the inside of the machine. So fairly simple if you need to do repairs. And to put the top cover back on, just line it up with the tank. We'll get the 2 screws in the back lined up. Okay, and tighten it right there. And now we'll proceed on putting the panels back on. To get the side panels back on, this would have to be lifted, the top cover, okay? And we would get the side panels. If you look at the angle goes in the back. Magnets here, okay, we would line up here on the body. Get the back one on, and this screw needs to get under the top panel. And then the front one needs to line up. And then you have a nice solid fit right there. And then on the other side, we're going to do the same. And as you notice, there's a white film on this machine here. So we're going to get this side back on here. Okay, it's easier than it looks. And then once we get the back on, we lift the top, tuck in, okay, and then from there, we have both side panels on with that middle screw holding. And then we take our 2 Allen key screws with the wrench, metric number 3. And we screw this back in. Very, very simple. And like this, the panels are in place. And of course we have a new machine here, so it has the film on it. Sometimes they'll come without the film, I've noticed with other manufacturers. With Nurri, probably be the same thing. Sometimes the film will be off. If you do need to take the film off, sometimes you might have to remove the panels here to get to the film that's in the bottom on the inside. So that's how easy it is to remove and put on the side panels on a Nurri HX Espresso machine. Thank you for watching. This is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. As I always say, coffee first, everything else second. But that rule applies after you give us a like or a thumbs up or follow us on social media. Thank you and have a great day, and enjoy your espresso with a Nurri espresso machine. Take care.